The big story from the national capital, there will be no train services now at Delhi's Anand Vihar railway station because from tomorrow, all 7 platforms are going to be reserved for the deployment of COVID care isolation coaches. All trains running from Anand Vihar station will now operate from the old Delhi railway station as the Delhi government ramps up COVID infrastructure, and these trains will now provide another 4,800 beds, we're told, to Delhi's total tally. Sukirti joining us with the latest on that. Sukirti, what are we hearing?
Well, yes, this new addition of 500 coaches at the Anand Vihar railway station is going to make the big difference for Delhi, and that's one of the reasons why the Delhi government has also withdrawn its earlier order of turning several nursing homes across Delhi into COVID nursing homes. All nursing homes which had 10 to 49 beds, the Delhi government had declared they would be called COVID homes, COVID nursing homes from now, and would be entirely dedicated to the treatment of COVID patients. That would have led to an addition of about 5,000 patient beds. But after the meeting with the Home Minister, when this new decision came in that these 500 coaches will be given to the Delhi government, and this would lead to an addition of about 4,800 beds, the Delhi government has now decided not to go ahead with the nursing home order, because that would have been a more complicated thing to follow for nursing homes which most of them have been treating non-COVID patients so far. For them to suddenly turn into COVID nursing homes and to ensure that they cannot have non-COVID patients there can be no mixing up of the patients. All of those things would have taken a lot of effort from the nursing homes and to implement. So for Delhi, it's a huge relief that this order has come in now from the central government.
Right, Sukirti, all of this, of course, coming as Delhi's COVID numbers increase massively. We've seen another high in terms of a single day spike, and the overall cases crossing the 41,000 mark now.
Well, yes, cases have crossed the 41,000 mark, another increase of 2,000 cases in a single day within Delhi, and that is a worrying figure for Delhi also, because the positivity rates in Delhi have been very high. They've been over 35%, while the national average is somewhere around 7%. Now, a big concern that out of the 100% patients that get tested in Delhi on a daily basis, about 30% of them test positive, and that is something Delhi has been looking at, and it's one of the reasons why the Home Minister also now has come out with the decision that testing will be doubled in the next 2 days. It will be tripled in the next 6 days, because now the government's approach is going to be they want to trace and test every person who is likely to suffer from corona, and then they can be treated so that we can start putting the situation under control at the soonest. Ankita.